Did you know rice water has been used for centuries in Asian countries for beautiful skin and hair? Let's dive into its benefits and how to make your own rice water toner. Rice water is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin A, and phenolic compounds that protect your skin from sun damage and free radicals. It helps prevent fine lines, boosts collagen for a youthful glow, and can brighten your complexion. Results might appear within a month, depending on your skin type and age. Rice water is especially great for oily and acne-prone skin. It balances sebum production, tightens pores, and smooths skin texture. Just be cautious if you have dry skin. Opt for products with a gel or lotion consistency instead. To make your own rice water toner, combine 1/2 cup of organic white rice with 1 1/2 cups of distilled water in a jar. Let it steep for about 15 minutes. The water will turn cloudy, which is exactly what you want. That cloudy essence is where all the goodness comes from. Once 15 minutes are up, strain the rice water into a clean container using a fine mesh colander or a disposable tea bag. For extra benefits, spoon out 1 to 3 grains of rice and add them to the strained water. This helps keep the water fermented, giving your skin a soft, glowing appearance. Leave the rice water in the fridge until you need it. It stays fresh for about 5 days. To use it, wash your face with a mild cleanser and pat dry with a clean towel. Soak a cotton pad with rice water and gently swipe it all over your face. Let the rice water absorb into your skin, then apply the rest of your skincare products. Enjoy the natural benefits of rice water for glowing skin. Like and subscribe for more beauty tips and natural remedies.